Here we have a word problem where we're asked to find an unknown number. It says twice a number is decreased by 7, and this quantity is multiplied by 3. The result is 9 less than 10 times the number. What is the number? So it sounds kind of confusing, but at the end of the day, we're just looking for an unknown number. All right, so a single value. So we're going to represent that single value, that unknown value, by a capital N. All right, this is the number that we're trying to find here. So let's just take it in pieces. It's not really that hard if you'll just kind of look at each section. Remember, the N is going to be our variable that represents our number. And something else that you're looking for here is we're going to have an algebraic statement when it's all said and done. So we're going to have an equal sign in the middle. We're going to have a left side that's equal to the right side. So we're going to start with the left side here. We have twice a number, so that's 2 times n, right? N is our unknown number, is decreased by 7. Well, what does that mean, decreased by? It means that we subtract a 7 from that value, so minus 7. And this quantity is multiplied by 3, so the whole value here is going to be multiplied by 3, all right? The result of this particular expression is that's where we're going to put our equal sign. So the result of this whole thing is equal to 9 less than 10 times the number. So 10 times the number, but 9 less than that. So minus 9. So there's our equation that we have to solve. So we're going to just take it in pieces. We're going to distribute first over here. So 3 times both of these terms is going to be 6n minus 21 equals 10n minus 9. And then moving our like terms to the same side, we're going to take our 9 and move it over to where the negative 21 is. That's going to give us a negative 21 plus 9. So that's going to be negative 12. And then we'll move the 6n over to where the 10n is. So 10n minus 6n is going to be 4n. When we divide both sides by 4, we get that n is equal to negative 3. So that is our number that we're looking for. We can check the math on that real quick just to make sure that we got the correct answer. If we plug this 3 back in up here for the n, let's just see what we get. 3, I'm going to write that in brackets this time, times 2 times negative 3, right? That's what we found to be the value for n, minus 7 equals 10 times negative 3 minus 9. So if we did this correctly, we'll get a true statement, all right? 2 times negative 3 is negative 7, minus 7. And then right here we have negative 30. 10 times negative 3 is negative 30, minus 9. This turns into 3 times negative 6 minus 7 is negative 13. And this becomes negative 3 minus 9 becomes negative 39. So finally, 3 times negative 13, sure enough, is negative 39. So that equals negative 39, and we get a true statement. So we found the correct value for n. Pretty cool.